Challenge day 8. 10 words a day. Confident, confident, confident. Confine, confine, confine. Confound, confound, confound. Consciously, consciously, consciously. Consecrate, consecrate, consecrate. Consent, consent, consent. Consequences, 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 consequences. Consider, consider, consider. Consistent, consistent, consistent. Constraint, constraint, constraint. Cheers.